You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today I'm just going to be giving you a quick little update video. This is going to be on the Bobbi Boss Alivia unit. I have been wearing this unit for 1 week now, 1 week straight. I've only gone outside a couple of times because, of course, this whole quarantine craziness. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how it's holding up, meanwhile not really going outside much. So this is definitely going to be a high maintenance unit. If you have not seen my initial review, go ahead and check that out. You do get your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. You do get an adjustable band. It does come pre-plucked. It's 13x7 parting, and it does come with baby hairs. One of the biggest issues I did notice with wearing this unit daily is definitely the baby hairs stick up so much. It was really hard to get them to lay down. Honestly, the amount of work it took to get them to stay in place was kind of excessive. So I did go in with a good amount of foaming mousse, and on top of that, I did add some got-to-be glue, wrapped it down, and even then, they did kind of pop up some after maybe like an hour or two, so definitely just keep that in mind. Also, this unit definitely did experience a good amount of tangling and shedding the more and more I wore it. Even on the first day, honestly, you guys, not really going outside, not doing much in the house, there was a good amount of tangling and shedding, which is one of the reasons why I'm definitely going to say this is a high maintenance unit. So this is not a unit that I would wear outside without having a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb on me. Let me just show you guys what I've been working with. So the first thing to go on this unit is definitely the ends. The ends aren't looking too crazy, but they definitely are feeling kind of dried. The tangling definitely is prevalent. I want to say more than tangling though is the shedding. It's not like ridiculously over the top, but it's definitely noticeable. So I mean, the good thing about it though is even though you will get some tangling and shedding, if you do have your comb with you, you will be able to manage that and get it to look pretty much back to its natural state. I haven't needed to add any product or anything like that to it, so that is really the good part about it. So which does lead me to believe you could get this unit to last a good amount of time, especially if after a while it starts getting all dry and tingly. You can add some additional product to extend the life of it. Even with the shedding and everything, the hair has not lost its density. It is still pretty full. And as you see, I just did comb through it with the wide tooth comb, and I'm still getting some snags in there. And definitely shedding. So if you're looking for hair you don't really have to put much work into or do much to maintain it, this one's not going to be for you. So initially my review on it was I really did love it. I just love the style of it. I love the way that it felt because it does have that Yaki type texture, like a medium Yaki texture. But I feel like with time, with wearing it, I'm not really the biggest fan of it. I feel like if the baby hairs weren't as crazy as they are, maybe I would have loved it a little bit more, but other than that, I don't think I'm loving it as much as I was with the initial review. So here's the length. It is more so in the lines of like a natural length. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it's coming right below my boobs. Yes, it does still have its flow and everything, but it is getting sort of that clumpiness. You know, when units get older in time, how the curls start kind of clumping together, the fibers kind of just stick together. That's definitely what this is giving me. So yeah, I mean, you could use this as an everyday unit if you wanted to, but just beware that if you do, this is 100% going to be high maintenance. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
seeker, fake gatekeeper. Deep sleeper, daylight creeper, late night seeker, fake gatekeeper. Deep sleeper, daylight creeper, late night seeker, fake gatekeeper. Deep sleeper, but a only speaker. Better peep game boy, came